Okay, let's get used to how to insert images in our slides. So if you're on a laptop, this is what you're going to do. You're going to be looking up over here at this little button at the top. Hold on, let me just use this little button right here. It looks like an image or a picture. So once you find that button, you are going to click on it and you see there are different ways to insert images. The one we're interested in is 1, 2, 3 down. Click on it and then let's search for alien. Okay, I want to put the alien here. And you just click on it. You can insert that way or drag. Now, what's something fun you can do with your image? Look at the button here to the left, not the one with the picture, but the one to the left. It is called Mask Image. It's this little button right there. Okay, what you're going to do with that button is hold on one second, you can click it and you can change your image into a star and you can make a line around your star if you want. Like I can make a dotted line and you can change the colors. So this is how we add images. I hope that explains it. If you're on a laptop, if you're on an iPad, or if you're on a tablet, it may be a little bit different. So I will send you videos on how to add them. So let's have fun and enjoy the pair work.